Right, once you've ironed it, folks, what you want to now do, once you've ironed it inside out, you want to again do a back stitch down either of the open edges of your pocket tissue holder. And then to finish off the edges, you want to do overcast stitch over this edge here, or a zigzag stitch on the sewing machine, to stop the edges from fraying. Now this isn't essential, this isn't really important necessarily, but it will give you a better quality product and it will give you a better finish to your product. So with the needle and thread again, we've done overcast stitch before, we did it on our chicken doorstops last year, folks, okay? So you want to take the needle and thread over and around the edge this time, okay? So rather than going along like you would with a running stitch, you want to go over the edge of the fabric and seal that edge closed. So you want to go away from you and around the edge to seal that edge and stop it from fraying, okay? And once you've done that, once you've overcast stitch down both sides of your fabric, you will end up with something that looks like this, okay? So you've got your zigzag stitch, you've got your straight stitch, and you will end up with something like this. To finish off, you want to turn it the right way out, like this. And there you have your pocket tissue holder, which you will be able to then put your pocket size tissues into. And there you have your pocket size tissue holder for you to carry around in your bag and to keep as a supply. If you wanted to, what you could do is add a little loop in onto the top here and put a keychain on there, and that could change into a little key ring, and that can then be really handy to have on your keychain, and then you can carry that around and attach that to your bag, so you've always got a supply of tissues with you wherever you go. Hope you enjoyed my video, folks. I will share everything with you picture wise, photograph wise, and I will share some videos with you to help you along the way as well. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.